So how can you make videos with the iPad's screen recording? Let's get into it. So at first, if you're new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss the next tutorials like this one. So the first step is to ensure you have the screen recording toggle added into the control center, so you can swipe down like this and ensure it's there, and if not, tap on the plus button and add more toggles right there. So this is the first step. Now then you can obviously just start the screen recording process, capture everything you want, like show whatever you need on the screen, and if you are happy with it, you can just save it to the gallery and be done with it. However, if you want to make like a professional video out of this, I recommend people to get a video editor for it. So a CapCut is a great choice, which I recommend to a lot of people. So using such video editor, you can import your clips into the project, create a little timeline where you can edit the video as much as you like, which includes, for example, cutting out some portions which you don't want to be there, speeding up some things, right? That makes a lot of sense for a screen recording, right? Because if you get somewhere, it might take a while, so you can speed it up right here. You can also just add some other like elements to it, like text, stickers, other images. You can combine it with other videos and then layer it on top of each other. Plenty of options, and it can all be done through a video editor like this one. So not only can your iPad capture the screen recording into the gallery, but you can then enhance it further and get even more out of this. So this is just my idea of how it could work. Let me know if you have any specific questions or thoughts about this topic. But if you like what you see, just hit the thumbs up to let me know about that. And I'll catch you later in the future videos.